Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the one required physical link, a USB OTG adapter plus the Jupiter 110 USB cable. Verify your phone supports USB OTG in settings. This is why the physical adapter matters. Once done, plug the OTG adapter into your phone, but don't connect the Jupiter yet. Make sure the phone is on and unlocked, and close any music apps that may block MIDI or audio pass-through. This gets you immediate access to the device-level connection the Jupiter needs. Now connect the Jupiter 110 cable to the OTG adapter attached to your phone. The phone will prompt for USB permission. Accept it. Choose the MIDI or audio device option when presented, because that selection routes the keyboard data correctly. Open your chosen app or a MIDI host so it can scan for attached controllers. You should see Jupiter 110 listed. If the app has input routing or channel settings, assign the Jupiter to channel 1 so notes and controls map predictably. Finish by testing keys and controls. You'll know the connection works when the app registers MIDI or audio activity from the Jupiter 110. If nothing happens, disconnect and reconnect, restart the phone, or swap the OTG adapter and USB cable. Bad cables are the most common issue. Make sure the app's MIDI channel matches the keyboard, and confirm firmware or driver updates for the Jupiter if available. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions keep failing, toggle USB debugging or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.